Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to share with you. We'll be showing you how to remove a green screen using the one-click AI feature in Filmora, and the best part is, it's fully customizable. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at green screen removal. Let's dive right in. Here I have a green screen footage that I will add to my timeline. As we can see, this clip is on top of my gameplay footage. Now, the magic of Filmora's one-click AI feature lies right here. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you tons of time. First, select your green screen clip in the timeline. Once you've got your clip selected, locate the one-click AI button right here. Now, all you need to do is click it, and watch the magic happen. But what if you're not satisfied with the initial result? No worries, Filmora gives you the flexibility to fine-tune your green screen removal. Simply adjust the tolerance level to match your footage perfectly. Now let's play this video. And here is where things get even more exciting. You can choose which color you want to remove. So, whether it's green, blue, or any other color, Filmora's got you covered. Now, for the fine-tuning part. Filmora allows you to refine your green screen removal further. You can make adjustments to the feather, spill suppression, and even add edge enhancement for a professional look. And there you have it, folks. Filmora's one-click AI feature makes green screen removal a breeze. And with the added customization options, you have full control over your footage. The days of struggling with green screens are over. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Filmora tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.